Hello, my name is Warren Ward. I am an engineer working with Freedom Meditech to resolve technical issues. When an internal cable comes loose in the DS120, usually from shipping, it is necessary to remove the top and side covers. This is very easy. Using a T15 Torx driver, simply remove the two upper screws on the back cover and the two screws on top. Then set the screws and the top aside. Next, remove the upper side screws on the right panel. The screws may not fall out as the heads are almost the size of the hole. Inside the panel is a small catch, so it is necessary to slightly tilt the panel to the right to remove it. Set it aside with the screws. Inside, you will find the cable connections that may have come out. I will point to the likely cable. The USB cable simply plugs into the driver board. Make sure it is in all the way. Simply reverse the process to put the panels back on.